Have you ever wondered how a beloved character could be replaced and still leave uh, an impact? Um, Picture this: the grand halls of Harvard, the clinking of coffee cups, and the clever banter of characters we hold dear. Unfortunately, the recently rebooted Frasier has faced an unexpected turn, cancellation after just 2 seasons. Before diving deeper, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button to stay updated with more engaging content. Uh, um, let's turn you back to where it all began. 1984, when Dr. Frasier Crane first graced our uh, screens on Cheers. Fast forward through over a decade of laughter, and the iconic character has left an indelible mark on television. Though the new series brought back some nostalgia, uh, the quick cancellation sadly overshadowed these 2 seasons. Enter Alan Cornwall, a character who stepped in initially to fill the shoes of Niles, Frasier's brother, portrayed beautifully by Nicholas Lyndhurst. Cornwall exuded a quirkiness that made him stand out despite the limited screen time. As a heavy drinking intellectual, he added a fresh layer to the show. Unfortunately, the abrupt end left his potential largely unexplored. Um, there was a glimmer of hope when Frasier premiered on CBS, drawing a solid viewer count. But when it comes to the cutthroat world of streaming television, success is about more than just numbers. It's about profitability. Kelsey Grammer reportedly commanded nearly $2 million an episode, making it crucial for the series to pull in exceptional ratings. Yet, as Paramount weighed their options, they deemed the show unworthy of renewal. Many dedicated fans knew in their hearts that Frasier's journey felt complete with his departure to Chicago in 2004. The return, while intriguing, had a sense of redundancy. However, watching Frasier delve into the lives of new characters, including his son Freddie and nephew David, added an enticing twist worth exploring. Supporting characters have always been the heart of Frasier. Um, um, Alan Cornwall emerged as a fan favorite, bringing humor and emotion to the forefront. His interactions with Frasier and others provided the rich tapestry that kept viewers engaged after all. Despite Frasier Crane's fame, it was Alan and the ensemble around him that truly made the show sparkle. A season 3 focused on Alan could have captivated audiences further, uh, uh, with his poignant storyline and emotional moments. He transformed into more than just comic relief. And the show's finale showcased a deep connection that resonated with viewers, highlighting the power of family dynamics in storytelling. As we reflect on this saga, let's leave with a smile. Why did Frasier refuse to play hide and seek with his friends? Because good luck finding someone who can outsmart a psychologist. Uh, with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, see you next time.